In this video, we learn how to prepare para-bromonitrobenzene from bromobenzene. Bromobenzene react with concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. It gives para-bromonitrobenzene. Apparatus required for this experiment are 25 cm3 round bottom flask, condenser, 100 cm3 conical flask, 100 cm3 beaker, measuring cylinder, water bath, watch glass, funnel, glass rod, wire gauze, etc. Chemicals required are concentrated nitric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid, and bromobenzene. Preparation of para-bromonitrobenzene from bromobenzene involves following steps. Prepare a mixture of 2 cm3 concentrated nitric acid and 2 cm3 concentrated sulfuric acid in 25 cm3 round bottom flask and cool it to the laboratory temperature. Attach a reflux condenser to the flask and add 1 cm3 bromobenzene slowly during about 15 minutes. Shake the flask vigorously during addition and do not allow the temperature to rise above 50 to 60 degrees Celsius by cooling in running water if necessary. After the addition is over, heat the flask on a boiling water bath for 30 minutes. Allow to cool to room temperature and pour the reaction mixture with stirring into 20 cm3 cold water. Filter the separated solid and wash with water. Recrystallize the crude product from ethyl alcohol. Dry and weigh the pure product. Determine its melting point. Now we will go to lab and we will perform the actual experiment.